Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Are speed radar detectors legal? The truth about using them. Are you unsure about the legalities of using speed radar detectors while driving? Understanding the legality of these devices is crucial for all drivers. Radar detectors are tools designed to alert drivers to the presence of police speed enforcement radar guns, providing them with the opportunity to adjust their speed accordingly. However, the use of radar detectors is a topic steeped in controversy and legal nuances that all motorists should be aware of. While radar detectors can be valuable in helping drivers avoid speeding tickets, there are restrictions on their use in many jurisdictions. Laws governing radar detectors vary from state to state and country to country, with some regions allowing their use while others have outright bans. Knowing the laws in your area can save you from potential fines and legal troubles. In this video, we will delve into the world of speed radar detectors, exploring their purpose, the current controversy surrounding their legality, and the importance of understanding the regulations that govern their use on the road. Stay tuned to unravel the complexities of speed radar detectors and make informed decisions as a conscientious driver. What are speed radar detectors? Radar detectors are devices designed to alert drivers to the presence of police radar guns and speed traps that are used to monitor vehicle speeds. These gadgets use radio waves to detect the radar signals emitted by law enforcement officers and provide drivers with a warning, giving them time to adjust their speed and potentially avoid a speeding ticket. Types of radar detectors. Corded radar detectors. Corded radar detectors are typically mounted on the windshield or dashboard of a vehicle and are more permanent in their installation. They often provide better range and sensitivity due to their larger size and direct power source from the vehicle. Cordless radar detectors. Cordless radar detectors are more portable and can be easily moved between different vehicles. They are powered by batteries and are simpler to install. While they offer convenience, they may have a slightly reduced range compared to corded models. Remote mount radar detectors. Remote mount radar detectors are installed permanently in the vehicle but have a separate display unit that can be mounted in a different location for easy visibility. These detectors offer a clean, integrated look in the vehicle and can provide advanced features like GPS integration for added functionality. Radar detectors work by receiving the radar signals emitted by police radar guns. When the detector detects a radar signal, it alerts the driver through visual or audible warnings, signaling them to check their speed and slow down if necessary to avoid getting a speeding ticket. With advancements in technology, radar detectors now come equipped with features like GPS databases of known speed traps and red light cameras, as well as smartphone connectivity for real-time updates on traffic enforcement areas and road hazards. These features enhance the effectiveness of radar detectors in helping drivers stay aware and drive safely on the road. When choosing a radar detector, it's essential to consider the type that best suits your driving needs and preferences to ensure you have the necessary protection against speed enforcement devices while on the road. Legality of speed radar detectors in the United States. In the United States, the legality of speed radar detectors varies from state to state. Drivers need to know the regulations regarding their use to avoid any potential legal issues. Here's a breakdown of where radar detectors are legal and illegal in the U.S. states where radar detectors are legal. Virginia. In Virginia, it is legal to use radar detectors in private vehicles. Washington, D.C. Similarly, radar detectors are permitted in Washington, D.C. states where radar detectors are illegal. California. Radar detectors are prohibited in private vehicles in California. The state strictly enforces this regulation. Minnesota. In Minnesota, the use of radar detectors in private vehicles is illegal. It's important to note that the legality of radar detectors can change, so it's advisable to stay informed about the regulations in your state to ensure compliance with the law while driving. Familiarizing yourself with the specific restrictions and regulations in your area can help you avoid any unwanted legal consequences. Benefits and drawbacks of using radar detectors. Radar detectors offer valuable benefits to drivers, assisting them in navigating the roads more effectively. Here are some advantages and drawbacks to consider before utilizing a radar detector. Benefits of using radar detectors. Avoid speeding tickets. One of the primary benefits of radar detectors is their ability to alert drivers of speed traps and police radar, giving them a chance to adjust their speed promptly and avoid costly speeding tickets. By providing real-time information, radar detectors empower drivers to stay within legal speed limits without the fear of unexpected fines. Improved road safety. Radar detectors can contribute to enhancing road safety by encouraging drivers to maintain a more consistent speed. Being aware of speed enforcement areas enables drivers to be more vigilant and attentive while driving, reducing the likelihood of accidents caused by sudden speed changes. Time and cost savings. By preventing speeding tickets, radar detectors can save drivers both time and money that would otherwise be spent dealing with legal repercussions or increased insurance premiums. This added convenience can make road trips and daily commutes less stressful and more cost-effective. Drawbacks of using radar detectors. False alerts. One common drawback of radar detectors is the occurrence of false alerts, where the device detects signals unrelated to police radar. These false alarms can be frustrating and may lead drivers to become desensitized to genuine alerts, potentially compromising their effectiveness. Legal restrictions. While radar detectors are legal in many states and countries, there are regions where their use is prohibited, and possession can result in fines or penalties. Drivers need to be aware of the laws regarding radar detectors in their area to avoid legal consequences. Over-reliance. Relying too heavily on a radar detector can lead to complacency and a false sense of security while driving. Drivers must remember that radar detectors are aids, not guarantees, and should always prioritize safe and responsible driving practices. Radar detectors offer valuable benefits in terms of speeding ticket avoidance, improved road safety, and cost savings. However, drivers should also consider the potential drawbacks such as false alerts, legal restrictions, and the risk of over-reliance to make informed decisions about using these devices effectively on the road. Tips for using radar detectors responsibly. Radar detectors can be valuable tools for drivers, but it's essential to use them responsibly to ensure safety and compliance with the law. Here are some practical tips for using radar detectors ethically and legally. Avoiding false alerts. To reduce false alerts from your radar detector, consider adjusting the sensitivity settings based on your driving environment. Higher sensitivity levels can lead to more false alerts from sources like automatic door openers, while lower settings may cause you to miss legitimate signals. Additionally, regularly update your detector's firmware to improve the filtering of false alerts and enhance accuracy while driving. Maintaining awareness of speed limits. While radar detectors can assist in monitoring speed, it's crucial to remember that they are not a substitute for staying informed about speed limits. Always pay attention to road signs, especially in areas with changing speed limits or construction zones. Relying solely on a radar detector without regard to posted speed limits can lead to dangerous driving behavior and potential legal consequences. By following these tips and using your radar detector responsibly, you can maximize its effectiveness without compromising safety or legal compliance. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and drive responsibly with the assistance of your radar detector. In wrapping up our exploration into the legality of speed radar detectors, it becomes evident that the regulations surrounding these devices vary significantly depending on the jurisdiction. Drivers must be well informed about the laws in their area to avoid potential fines or legal consequences. Understanding the nuances of speed radar detector legality empowers individuals to make informed choices and navigate the road responsibly. Key takeaways. Legal framework. Speed radar detector laws are not universal and can differ by region or state. Penalties. Violating laws regarding speed radar detectors can result in fines or even license suspension in some areas. Educational awareness. Staying informed about local regulations is essential for all drivers. Responsibility. It is the driver's responsibility to comply with relevant laws and regulations. Final thoughts. Navigating the legality of speed radar detectors underscores the importance of staying informed and responsible behind the wheel. By understanding the rules in place and abiding by them, drivers can contribute to safer roadways for all. Let this knowledge guide your decisions on the road and help you navigate traffic laws effectively. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to driving legally and safely. And there you have it, the truth about speed radar detectors and their legality. We hope this video has shed light on the topic, helping you navigate the laws and regulations related to their usage. Remember to stay informed and drive safely. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful content, and until next time, drive responsibly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.